Welcome to day 5 of the Total Balance Challenge. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the challenge. Today, we'll do a practice to assimilate everything that you've learned this week, everything that you've experienced. So come into a comfortable seat. You can do this either sitting or lying down. It's a great practice to do at the end of the day as well. Start to close the eyes or just softly gaze. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Letting go of the thoughts, letting go of the morning before you, letting go of the rest of the week, allowing it to release with the breath through the earth. Inhaling through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Take this practice at your own pace, listening to the music. The music is composed in the key of F sharp, which is associated with the heart. The heart chakra is the energy in our chest, the lifeblood, life force, our sense of love, connection, growth, and compassion. Breathe into the heart, maybe even take your hand over your heart. Breathe in and feel as the heart beats. Breathe out, feel as you release through the earth. There are 4 steps to assimilating your week or maybe your day. The first step is accumulating all that's happened this week. Every event, every thought, every feeling. Starting with day 1 of the challenge. Let's go back to that moment. Remember how you felt when you got up that day. Going through that day, each event that happened, each conversation you had, each moment that you had to yourself. Start to move through that day, observing what's happening without getting attached, without judging. Moving on to day 2. Noticing the thoughts you had. Moving on to day 3. Going through each moment of the day to moments that stick out, maybe moments you forgot about. On to day 4. And on to day 5. Your routine in the morning when you get up, throughout the day, each conversation, each task, each project. Take those all in and observe them without running off with the story. The second step in the process is assimilating how you felt in each of those moments. So going back to day 1, remembering how you felt. If you had any challenges, go back to that feeling. Anything that you forgot to feel about or didn't have time, go back to that moment. Maybe placing your hand over your heart, holding your heart like you'd hold a small child. observing if certain thoughts came up again, certain feelings came up with those thoughts. Just allowing them to be without grabbing them, without judging them. The third step in this process is integration. We integrate all of these thoughts, feelings, events throughout the week by breathing deeply. Let's breathe together 10 times. If you lose count, it's perfectly okay. Just breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Counting to yourself with each breath. Maybe make the exhale a little longer. Wherever you are, about 3 more breaths. Deep breaths. Longer on the exhale. And the final step in this process is gratitude and love for yourself and for others. Again, feeling into your heart, feeling into the expansion, expanding the heart with each breath. Inhaling deeply through the nose, feel the heart expand. Start to feel gratitude, thankfulness for your experiences, starting with the interactions today, allowing the heart to expand as you think about each interaction. Begin to think of someone you love deeply or something, maybe a puppy, as you take that love and expansion. Share it with those who you don't know that well. Thinking of people that you might see on a regular basis or every once in a while. Share that feeling with them. Feel gratitude for their presence. Start to think of someone that's a challenge to communicate with, or maybe difficult to have this feeling of love towards. Feel the expansion in the chest and share gratitude for the experience with this person. Gently bringing your attention back to yourself, back to the love in your own heart. Sharing gratitude for your experience, your ability to think and to know and to love and to feel. Turning all of that love, all of that gratitude onto yourself, holding your heart. Into the heartbeat, into the breath, taking this with you rest of your day, maybe into next week, maybe even longer than that. Stay with this feeling as long as you like. I thank you for joining me on this challenge this week. With so much love and with so much light, I honor you for your practice. Namaste. Hi friends, Amy here. I trust that you enjoyed this video. How would you like to breathe deeply and balance the body every single day, even the busiest ones? I've got a free members only video for you if you click the link in the comments and the description below. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Namaste.